and I just want to put it out on record that I was singing earlier, and I think the dog thinks I'm in pain when I sing, because he kind of howls and does this little vomit thingy. He doesn't vomit. He just kind of retches. So I think
he's sympathy pains.
I think it's sympathy pains. I think because he looks at me like, "What's wrong?"
No.
So I know. I didn't think I was that bad. But
that's too bad. But anyway,
hi guys. We're the puzzle couple,
and we are back with a new puzzle.
This is a Barnes & Noble exclusive.
Yep.
This is Jane Wooster Scott.
Wooster Scott.
So
I guess she is a painter of Americana. Lives in Idaho somewhere. Yeah. So I mean, I like this painting. This reminds me a lot of some of the other puzzles that we've done.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you guys can get a good view of this, but now my favorite thing in the world are kites. I love kites. I have a painting of kites that my mom had found, and I just told her I loved it so much, and so since she wasn't hanging it up, she gave it to me. So I'm excited that there's kites in this, like way up here, and
yeah.
And this is really pretty. The trees are pretty. They're all different colors.
Yeah.
The little houses are all different colors.
Right.
There's horses. There's buggies.
There's all sorts of stuff going on in here. Lots of people. Yeah. So this ought to be pretty interesting. This is 1,000 pieces. It's made by Seco, which is made in the USA. So this is a total USA type of puzzle.
And it's 27 by 20 is going to be the
27 by 20,
right,
which is perfect for the little card table that we have to put on to do these puzzles with. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy what we do. It looks like it's going to be one of those really fun ones to do. So
very colorful.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, me too.
Because if you go back east, I feel like everything's very, very colorful.
Yeah.
The trees are colorful. Everything's colorful.
Yeah, especially the time of year, depending on the time of year. I mean, we went to Massachusetts in September, I think it was, which was a lot of fun. Not this September. A while ago. And the colors out there and just everything was very beautiful.
But it was cold.
It was cold. That's one thing that would stop us from moving over back east is the cold.
Yeah,
we're not cold people.
I tried to go to college in Flagstaff, and the first snow, I called my aunt in California and said, "Hey, can I come visit you?" And never moved back.
Yeah.
So.
She actually ended up going to a different college.
Yeah.
So yeah. So anyhow.
Yeah, much warmer state.
Yes, it is. Most definitely.
So, okay, guys, we will. Oh, check us out at the very end. We will give our opinion on the puzzle and any
problems or anything, if we liked it, didn't like it, all that kind of stuff. I mean, we haven't really had too many puzzles that we didn't like.
Yeah.
So we're probably gonna say, "Oh, we love this puzzle," because we usually do.
Yeah.
But anyhow, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel as well. But we will talk to you at the end. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys!
Hey guys! Welcome back.
Yeah, we are back. We finished it. It is good. It was fun. It wasn't like a super hard one, but it wasn't super easy. All the pieces were there.
I don't know how long it took us to do it. We didn't look at the time.
No, we have not.
We did not. So,
I'm guessing probably about 4 hours. I'll try and remember when I do it to put it into the box. Whatever you call that, comment box, or not comment box, but whatever it is.
I think it's a comment. No. What is it?
It's description.
Yeah, the
like
description
a description box. So I will try and remember to do that, but I don't always remember those things.
For me, I loved the trees. I liked how there were so many different types of trees, and the little dots kind of showed the different colors of the trees. So, I actually really enjoyed putting that together.
Yeah, I again like doing the buildings and things like that. So those are always fun to do. With all the different colors and the ones they had it kind of in different areas, so it made a little bit more than just like having the one or two buildings in a picture. This had a lot of buildings in it.
It did.
So
and you might see us rearranging things because we were putting it where we thought it went, and then as more of the puzzle came together, we realized that
it was in the wrong area.
It was in very far away.
Yeah, we had to move stuff around some, and we had a couple pieces, or at least one big chunk that was all was connected wrong. I mean, looked like connected perfectly, but then we realized that the roof just did not look that way. So,
or it was you that said the tree was growing sideways.
Yeah, the tree was growing sideways. So it's like, wait, this can't be the way this goes. So
I'm like, because he asked me, "Does this look right?" And I'm like, "Yeah, it looks right." He's like, "Are you sure? Because the tree is growing sideways." So
unless it's a weird one, So yeah, but it was a cool one. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching us do it. Like and subscribe to the channel too.
Yeah, and let us know. Have you tried any Barnes & Noble puzzles yourself? Because this is the first one that we got from Barnes & Noble.
Yeah.
And it wasn't exclusive, so...
Right, exactly.
Yeah. I don't think I've seen Jane
Wooster
Scott.
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen her art anywhere else yet. But I definitely will keep an eye out because I do like her style. So
yeah, it was very cool. Very, very cool.
Yeah. So definitely, you guys, hit us up. Who's your favorite Americana artist?
There we go. Yeah, that's a great question. So, all right, guys, we will talk to you on our next one. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this one, and bye.
Bye.